Maya's tricks are very subtle, very powerful. So to escape from Maya's trick also you need some tricks. Sometimes the present is so depressing, the present is so difficult, the present appears so impossible that one may lose hope about the future. Do not estimate your future based on your present, because between the present and the future is the Lord's presence, and the Lord's presence is such that it can convert every situation 360 degrees. अरे पूरे ब्रह्मांड को चला रहे हैं, आपके जीवन को भी चलाने दो. So therefore details cannot be shared. अरे कैसे हो सकता है, कोई नहीं सकता, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, बकवास है. ठीक है, अचिंत्य वचिंत्य है, लेकिन फिर भी समझ में नहीं आता कैसे हो. अरे समझ में आ गया तो भगवान हो जाओ. राधानाथ महाराज, when we were making GV, he told us after 3-4 years that some Western yoga groups are coming. Bring some donkey to keep. गधा. I said, महाराज, cows or bulls or goats तक ठीक था, डोंकी, और हम तो पहले ही वैसे ही हैं, और गधे की क्या जरूरत. बोले नहीं नहीं, bring. I know in your social context it is considered derogatory, but have faith and bring. Take a leap of faith. I said, okay. So again, after 1 week, I called him for giving construction updates. He didn't ask about construction. Wait, donkey. Did it come? चल यार, इतना बढ़िया बढ़िया रिपोर्ट दे रहा हूँ, ये तो गधे के पीछे लगे हो है कि नहीं. तो अपना जो है सिस्टम हैंग हो रहा था. हो क्या रहा है, ये हम लोग के बीच में, गुरु शिष्य के बीच में गधा कहां से आ गया. So I said, are you sure? Yes. Bring. That donkey will do more preaching than you can imagine. So one brahmachari had already done entire research कि best गधा कहाँ से मिलता है. So 2 gadha were brought, 2 donkeys. So then Maharaj came. So I was wanting to show him all the new construction. No, first gadha. We went near the gadha, and then Maharaj looked at the gadha and he wanted to go nearby. As soon as he went near, the gadha ran away. Maharaj said, why did he run away? करे मैं गधा थोड़ी. मैं कैसे गधे के मन को समझ सकता हूं. Then I said, I don't know. Maharaj said, I'll tell you. In previous location, wherever he was, people were mistreating him. Because of that, he has become afraid of human beings. When human beings come near, he'll run away. So we have to change his behavior and make him human friendly. I said, it's a good idea. So मुझे लगा हो गया. He said, how do you make them human friendly? How do I know? Maharaj said, with a brush, we have to massage him every day. I said, what? I started thinking that how is this going to happen? So I said, but Maharaj, who will massage? Gadha. Maharaj said, you. I thought, oh my God, this is becoming too complex. So then we had a system by which there was one local villager who was put in charge, and he was taking good care of the donkeys. They're completely transformed, their behavior. Then the yoga group came, and one of the biggest yoga groups in whole the world. And that lady came and took a whole tour of the eco village, liked various things. But when they came to this, near the donkey, they looked at the donkey, and the donkey came running towards them. And they were so happy. They said, we have various principles in our yoga school, but one of the most important principles is animal shelter and animal care. And so many places we have seen the donkey being mistreated. Here the donkey is treated with so much respect. Because of this, we decide that every year we will bring our yoga group here only, to Govardhan Eco Village. I looked at the donkey and said, इतना बड़ा marketing expert था मालूम नहीं. So many times you don't see connections. You understand what is what. Krishna will reveal If Krishna has decided to give blessings and Krishna has decided he wants to bring you close to him, who can stop? So the cause of all anxiety is to think that I am the controller, I am the doer. So why people in Kali Yuga are in anxiety? Because they begin the day by thinking. We must begin the day by thanking. And that is what the morning program is all about. Don't begin the day with thinking. Begin with thanking the Lord. Vande Guru Sri Charanaravind. Don't begin the day with planning. Begin the day with praying. So those who early in the morning start thinking and planning will spend the whole day in anxiety. Those who begin the day with thanking and praying, they remain faithful and get the strength to overcome various obstacles which inevitably will come, and they get the strength to cope up with that.